Hi everyone, it's Claire here from AMDS. As promised, we're going to have a walk through over the next few weeks the Prentice X-Tra Man parts washer range, discussing the features, the benefits, and talking about the different sizes in the range. So today we're going to take a look around the XM50. Let's have a look. So XM50 is designed for automotive and light industrial use. It is the smallest out of the machines. We'll just do a bit of a walk around so you can get an idea of the overall size. Now this has a 2.2 kilowatt pump and two 3.5 kilowatt heating elements, which make for effective parts washing, driving 250 litres of solution through per minute. Okay, now we'll open this up and let's have a look inside. Now, as you can see in here, you do have your tree and your parts tray, which do come with the parts washer, and we do have the parts baskets as well available as an optional extra. This is the smaller size of the two that we have. You've got your depths here, which you have 19 of, which obviously is going to give you a very effective clean with the solution being forced through at high pressure onto your parts. Now going down to your removable stainless steel filter screen here, we'll just pop this out of the way. You can get in there into where your elements are and into your water tank, which allows for ease of cleaning, which is definitely handy. On the side here we've got your bore drain, so it makes it easy for drainage, and we have your oil skimmer as well. Now this is important. Not a lot of parts washers on the market do actually have an oil skimmer, and it makes it very helpful in the sense that obviously it is going to be removing the oil from your solution, which is giving you more longevity out of the solution that's in your tank, which is saving you money effectively. Okay, and moving up to have a look at your control panel here, we do have your low water alarm and your emergency stop, your wash start, your wash stop, and obviously to jog your turntable, and you do have your on-run timers here, your two timers. So you've got your wash timer, which you can set for a maximum of 30 minutes for a 30-minute wash, and your skimmer timer as well for how long your skimmer will run. And there is a 7-day timer inside here, so you can set the timer for whenever you want the parts washer to be running, and you don't have to think about it. As I said earlier, the XM50 is designed for automotive and light industrial use, and it is one of the more suitable machines for people who are limited for space. As you can see, it is the smallest of the machines, and it is quite narrow, which means that if you do have a back corner somewhere that you can only just sort of fit a small machine, this would work perfectly for you. Now just going back around again. Now the Prentice parts washers do also come with a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind as well. So if something does go wrong mechanically, we are there to provide support, and we do have full parts and everything on hand here if you do need. And then just something to bear in mind as well, with it being obviously for automotive and light industrial use, and just for the parts washers in general, if you are using it in your workshop, what you would do is charge it out as a cleaning fee, and that way you are making a return on your investment. Okay, thanks for watching, and look out in the next few weeks for our videos on the other parts washers in the Prentice X-Tra Man range.